In this video, I will show you how to edit a button in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my Hostinger website builder. Let's first add a button to start editing it. As you can see, you can edit its shape simply just like that. Make it a little bit shorter. To edit this button, just click on this edit button. Then go to style. First, you can edit the button text. For example, go to, news letter. You can link it to a page or a web address. For the style, you can to edit the style of for the normal state, you can select normal. If you want to edit the style when the mouse is over the button, you can check this hover, then continue editing your button. Let's edit the normal state design. This is the fill color. Let's make it orange. Then you can edit the text color. For example, let's pick the black color. Let's change the font to Roboto Regular. For the text size, let's make it a little bit bigger. You can also add a border color, for example, red. In order to see this border, you need to make the border width a little bit bigger, just like that. You can also edit the corners radius. Now let's see as you can see, when I place my mouse pointer over this button, it shows the black. To edit this black color, just go to hover first. This is a critical step. Select hover, then start editing your button. The text color, border color, I think, as you can see now, it turns to blue. To delete this hover design, just pick the same fill color and same thing with text and the border, and will stay the same design even when the mouse pointer is over the button. And this is how to edit a button design in Hostinger website builder.